Yeah, Jibin, today we
Yes,
will
sir.
start arithmetic progression.
Okay.
I think you learned remaining also, I mean quadratic equation also completed. And arithmetic progression I will start today. And this is very easy and very important also. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I will take one class today. And tomorrow I will take two classes. Okay.
Okay.
So arithmetic progression, AP. I send you already pics, na?
Yes, sir.
So you can do homework also. I will give you numbers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Some numbers arranged in a definite order according to some definite rule are said to form a sequence. Sequence, you know already the meaning of sequence. Okay, line. Okay, order. Okay, that is
Yes,
called
sir.
sequence. If we arrange some things in a order, that is called a sequence. So if we arrange the numbers in order, that is called also sequence of numbers. And by using some rule, we have different rules for AP, GP, HP. So for AP, we use one rule. By using that rule, if you arrange the numbers, or if the numbers are arranged by that rule, or satisfied that rule, then they are called, and that series is called, and that sequence is called AP, arithmetic progression. Okay, that there here given with some example, with some example. That is here TN. TN means T means term. The letter from term you have taken as T. T-E-R-M, term. This T we are using as the notation for term. We are using only T. Now Tn means suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to n numbers we have. This is the first number. So we can write as T1, term 1. This is second number. We can write as T2. This is third number. We can write as T3. Like this, this is last number. We can write as Tn. So in one sequence, which is we are discussing about AP. So what we are writing, that is also clearly about AP. In AP sequence, in AP, I'm taking Tn is equal to something here. What we have example, that only I'm following. I'm not taking any new one. Why? Because to understand for you easily, that is 3n plus 5 you have taken. 3n plus 5. This is rule, some rule we are taking. Okay. Cn is equal to 3n plus 5. If you substitute n equal to 1, if you substitute n equal to, yeah, 1, then you will get T1 first term is equal to 3 into 1 plus 5 is equal to 3 1 is 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 you will get 8. And if you take n equal to 2, n equal to 2 if you take, that is T2 is equal to 3 into, you have to write in place of n 2, that is 3 into 2 plus 5 is equal to 3 2 ja 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is equal to nothing but what? 11. Next, n equal to, if you take 3, then T3 is equal to, n equal to 3, how to write in this Tn term, that is 3 into 3 plus 5 is equal to 3 3 ja 9 plus 5 is equal to 9 plus 5 what? 14. Like this, taking the last one n equal to 4, then T4 is equal to 3 into, we are writing in place of n 4 plus 5 is equal to 3 4 is 12 plus 5 is equal to 12 plus 5 is nothing but 17. 12 plus 5 is 17. Okay. So now here the first term is 8. The first term is 8. I'm writing here n equal to 4, n equal to 5, n equal to 6, n equal to 7, like that. The last term is n equal to n. Then you will get the value or nth term Tn is equal to 3n plus 5. That already we taken. Nth term, last term. The first term is what? N equal to 1, then the term is 8. And the second term is what? 11. And the third term is what? 14. And the fourth term is what? 17. And the fifth term is what? 20. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 3, 14 plus 3, 17 plus 3, 20 plus 3, 23. Like that, the last term is what? Already we taken 3n plus 5. This is the last term. This sequence is called AP. This sequence is called AP. Why AP? In AP, the terms, if you divide big minus small, if you divide any two, two the side by side numbers, if you subtract, you will get the same difference. Same difference. 11 minus 8, 3, 14 minus 11, 3, 17 minus 14, 3, 20 minus 17, 3, 23 minus 23. Like that, if you do subtract any two side by side numbers, that is consecutive numbers, you will get the same difference. That is called common difference. That is called common difference. We denoted by common difference D, common difference D. And this 8 is the starting one. This 8 is the first one. And this 8 is called the first term. That 8 is called the first term. FIRST, first term. And denoted by A. Denoted by A. Denoted by A. And this is called the last term. Last term. That is denoted by Tn. Denoted by Tn. Sorry. Last term denoted by N. N is nothing but 3n plus 5. Now here, what is the common difference? These subtracting any two consecutive numbers, you will get 3. And the first one is what? 8. And the nth term is what? 3n plus 5. 3n plus 5. And if you observe, this is A. For A, you are adding, for 8, you are adding 3, then you are getting 11. So, this is nothing but what? A plus D. A is 8, D is 3, A plus D is 11. This example you no need to copy, okay? Questions you can copy, okay? That's why I am erasing this one. The first term I am taking as A, comma. This 11 I am writing A plus D. Why? Because A is 8, 3, D is 3, then 8 plus 3 is 11. A plus D, comma. Now this one is 14. A plus 3 is 11. More 3 we require. That is A plus D plus D. 8 plus 3 plus 3 is nothing but what? 14. 8 plus 3 is nothing but 11. This is 8. Comma. Next, one more D we are adding. Why? Because that is only the common difference. A plus D plus D plus D. 8 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is nothing but what? 17. 8, 11, 14, 17. And the last one, what we have, that is 20 also I am writing. A plus D plus D plus D plus D. 4 times. 8 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. This is clearly 20. And next 23. Next, like that you can write. Okay. What is the last term you will get, you know? The last term I'm not writing. I will write later to understand easily. This is a series, right? First what? A. Then what? A plus D. Then what? A plus 2D. D plus D. Then what? A plus 3D. D. Then what? A plus 4D. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. So on, lastly you will get last term, nth term. There also you have A plus something. That something you have to know, right? For first term, A. Second term, for second term, you have 1D. For second term, you have 1D. Remember this. For first term, there is no D. There is no D for first term. For second term, there is one D. Why? Because for first term is the number. From second term, there is, we can add for second term onwards common difference. That's why D we are adding for each term D, one time, two time, like that. For first term there is no D, second term 1D, third term 2D, this is 1D, fourth term, this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term, this is fifth term, this is nth term, this is the last term. Okay. So first term there is no D, 0D, second term 1D, third term 2D, fourth term 3D, fifth term 4D. Are you observing that? For second term 1D, decreasing. For second 1D. For third 2D, decreasing 1. For fourth 3D. For fifth 4D. For sixth 5D. For seventh 6D. For nth n minus 1D. For nth n minus 1D. So how many number of terms here you have? Which number you are writing? 1 will be subtraction. For that number you will get in place of that n, that is n minus 1D is the last term for this sequence. First term no 0D, second term common difference, there is no common difference. One time common difference, two times common difference, three times common difference we have to add, fourth time common difference we have to add for fifth term, six times common difference we have to add for seventh term. N minus 1 term, one time we have to add common difference for nth term. So here this is the nth term and this is the first one and this is the common difference. D is the common difference. D is the common difference and A is the first term and the last term is nth term, that is what? A plus n minus 1 D. You should remember compulsory, you should butify whatever it is, I don't know. No need to butify. Why? Because I am explaining this much now. So please try to understand. You can arrange in your own way 2-3 examples. You will get very easily. Take one number and add some number, add some number, add some number, add some number. Like this, you will get. I think you understood this. This is the first term. There is no D. Second term 1D. For second term, you need one time. You have to add one time common difference. For third term, you have to add two times common difference. For fourth term, you have to add three times. For fifth term, you have to add four times common difference. For nth term, minus one time. 5 minus 1 times, 4 minus 1 time, 3 minus 1 time. Like this, you have to add the common difference for all questions. Okay, and here there you have the definition of AP, that is a sequence in which each form differs from its preceding term. Each term differs from its preceding term is equal. 11 minus 8, 3, 14 minus 11, 3, 17 minus 14, 3, 20 minus 17, 3. Term by the constant is called an arithmetic progression, written as AP, A dot P dot. Written as AP, the constant difference is called the common difference. The difference is called common difference, that is denoted by small d. And the first term denoted by A. And the nth term formula, A plus n minus 1D. So this is the concept about AP. Now we will do some problems and then you have to copy. Okay. Jibin, are you getting? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, unmute yourself. Unmute. And tell
Yes, sir.
me if I ask you any doubt, okay? Any question if I ask you, tell me. Yeah, they're given one, so many examples. I will give you one example, that is, show that the progression, 6 comma, 11 comma, 16 comma, 21 comma, 26. So on. They're given a sequence. Progression is given 6, 11, 16, 21, 16, and 26 is an AP. We have to show this progression is an AP and also write its first term and the common difference. We have to show this sequence, this progression is AP, and also find first term and also find the common difference, and also we will find the nth term also. They are not given nth term. Okay. So first of all, the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, etc. we have. And how we can say this is clearly AP? By finding common difference. Now I am finding this minus this. 11 minus 6 is clearly 5. Then this minus this. 16 minus 11 is always 5. Then this minus this. 21 minus 16 is always 5. What we are finding? Common difference. Common difference. If you find like this, you are getting the same value, na? Since we are getting common difference is same. Therefore, given progression is in AP. AP. Then what is the first term? This is the first term. First term. Write always like this. A is equal to 6. Second, common difference. Already we know common difference. Small d is equal to 5. Third one. What is third one? He is asking. He is not asking any third one. I am writing third one. Nth term. Nth term. What is nth term formula? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. What is the formula, Jibin? Nth term formula?
Sir, A plus N minus 1 into D, sir.
Yeah, a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now tell me what is the value of a?
A is 6, sir.
6. Plus what is the value of n? No. No
N,
value.
sir.
Is there n value?
No, sir.
So n minus 1 as it is n minus 1. What is the value of d?
5, sir.
5. This is the value of d. What is the meaning of d?
Common difference.
Yes, common difference. What is the meaning of a?
First term, sir.
First term. Now the meaning of this is what? Tn. I wrote on the board. Hello? Hello? Respond first. Hello, Jibin. If you respond, then I will tell you. Hello?
Sir.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
I told you, please don't put that in mute. Please be unmute.
Yes, sir.
What is this I am asking?
Sir, the term N, sir.
Huh?
Term N, sir.
No. Don't say like the term and time for term T.
Yes,
Nth
sir.
term.
Yes, sir.
What this is?
Nth term, sir.
Nth term. What is the formula? Nth term formula?
A plus N minus 1 into D, sir.
No, no, no. Tn equal to, you have to say like that.
Yes, sir.
What is the nth term formula?
Tn is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D.
Yeah, like that you have to say, always remember, okay?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me from this, what is T3, third term formula? T3.
Sir, I should use the numbers also, sir.
Just in place of n, you have to use 3. No need to use A and D.
Yes, sir. A plus
Yeah.
n minus 3
A,
into d.
A plus?
A plus n minus 3 into d.
How n minus 3, man? N is equal to 3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then you have to write in place of n 3.
A plus 3 minus 1 into d.
3 minus 1 into D. Then you can write what? A plus.
2d.
What we can write? A plus?
2d, sir.
What is the term A plus 33? A 33. T 33.
Sir,
Without solving, you have to say, what is the term A 33?
I didn't understand, sir. What should I
Array
say?
T3 term is this now?
Yes, sir.
T33 term is what? I am asking 33 term.
A plus 22d, sir.
22. How 22?
32, sir.
32. A plus 32D, right? You have to
Yes,
decrease
sir.
one number, that's it. You have to decrease one number.
Yes, sir.
Before number you have to write. What is the term? T501.
A plus 500. A plus 500d.
A plus
500.
500D. So here they ask questions, but I gave you this third also. And remember, for every questions we will do all these. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, copy this first. Should be very serious about this, understand? Yeah, put tick examples, that is example 1 I gave you already, example 2 homework for you, and example 3 there you have 2 bits. I'm giving 1 bit and you have to solve the second one. Example 3, the first one and second one similar. Root 7 comma root 28 comma root 63 given this series, and he is asking what is the question. Show that the following progression is an AP. You have to show this is an AP, and also find the common difference and the next term of each, and also find the common difference next term. We have to do 3 here. One is we have to show this is AP series. We have to
Sir,
find
which one
common
is
difference.
homework, sir?
The second example is homework. After
Sir.
what I gave you just now, after that homework, and third example I am giving the first one. Second one is
Yes, sir.
homework. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is asking first one we have to show AP, second one we have to find the common difference, third one we have to find after 63 what we will get. So 3 we have to do here. Listen carefully, and the fourth one also extra I am giving, that is we have to find the nth term also. Okay, for all we will do all top, I mean all formulas. Now see, we have to show first one this is AP. To prove this is AP, first we have to write these in simple form, that this is root 7, okay, and this is I am writing root over 7 4 ja 28, and this is root over 9 7 ja 63, so on. And this is root 7 comma, and root 4 we can write 2. This root we can apply for 7 and root 4, that is root 7 root 4 comma, this is root 9 root 7, so on. Now this root 4 is 2, root 7 comma 2 root 7, this is comma root 9 is 3 root 7, so on. And to say this is AP series, we have to find the common difference. If you look at same, that is, then that is clearly AP. Now common difference is this one and this one, that is 2 root 7 minus root 7. If you subtract from 2 root 7, 1 root 7, you will get more root 7. And this minus this. 3 root 7 minus 2 root 7. 3 root 7 minus 2 root 7 is also again root 7. So you are getting common difference is same na. Therefore, the given progression is in AP and common difference is equal to root 7. First one we have to show that is AP finished. Second one is asking common difference finished. Third one is asking what is the next term. And next term if you observe in AP series 1, 2, 3. This is AP series. Why? Because 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. The common difference is same. And if you have only up to 3, what is next to 3? How you will find? Simple. The common difference of these two is what? 1. The common difference of these two is what? 1. Means for first term, you are adding common difference 1. Then 1 plus 1, 2. And for second term, you are adding common difference 1. Then you are getting 3. For third term also, you should add common difference 1. Then you will get 4. Again add 1. Then you will get 5. Like this we can form the series. Now you are given 3 terms. What is the next term? He is asking. For root 63 means 3 root 7. These two are same. For 3 root 7, we have to add common difference. What is common difference? Root 7. Then the next term of 3 root 7. 3 root 7 is 3 root 7. 3 root 7 plus common difference. That is 3 root 7 plus what is common difference? Root 7. 3 root 7 plus root 7 is equal to 4 root 7. So what is the next term? 4 root 7. In this series you will get 4 root 7. Okay. I am not writing here. The next term for this 4 root 7. But here we have no in terms of root 7. Na? Then taking 4 inside, root over 4 will be 16. Why? Because 16 root is 4. And 16 into 7. 16 7 ja. That is, I think 102 or 112 I think. Yeah, 112 is the next term. So after root 63 you will get what? 112. Now the series I am writing. Now root 7, root 28, root 63, root 112, so on is the new series. Understand, Yevin?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now copy this, okay?
Okay.